I have seen a lot of falafel recipe online, and to be honest, they make me laugh because sometimes, I don't know, like people add too many coriander, too many parsley, and they get very green in color. This is not the way you guys make it. Hello beautiful people! Do you want to learn all the secrets how to make a beautiful and exquisite, crispy and crunchy falafel? Who is gonna have some falafel? You can find falafel in every corner of basically the Middle East. Well, what's the difference? The difference between all of them, there's people that basically use chickpeas and people basically mix chickpeas and fava beans. It really depends how everyone makes it. The falafel recipe is honestly very simple. It doesn't require a lot of effort, to be honest, but there's some little tricks that you need to know. Follow my steps. I'm 100% sure you will make the recipe at home 100% successfully. We need chickpeas soaked in water for 1 day. I know guys, you are gonna ask me how to soak basically the hummus, the chickpeas, the garbanzo. So it's very simple. You're gonna get a bowl, you're gonna add all the chickpeas inside of it, and then you are gonna pour the water. The water have to be 3 inches above the chickpeas, and that's very important as well. The onion and garlic, coriander and parsley, cumin and salt are basically used to give it more flavor. The chickpea flour and the bicarbonate are basically used to make the falafel more crispy, and this is exactly what we want. Are you sure you want to know how to make this falafel? Yeah? Are you sure? Let's go then. In a bowl, we can add the soaked chickpeas, the onions, the garlic, the finely chopped coriander and parsley, the cumin and salt, the chickpea flour. Then we're gonna mix the entire combination properly. Now, we require a blender, or if you want a grinder. We're gonna place all the ingredients inside, and then we're gonna make them very fine. Be careful, do not over grind or over mix the falafel. You don't want to make a hummus basically. It has to be a bit crumbly, by the way. Everyone tells you to add the bicarbonate of soda while making the falafel, all right? No, that's totally wrong. You have to add the bicarbonate before frying the falafel. Don't forget, you can use your imagination. You can be a bit more creative by adding a bit of togarashi, basil, chili, whatever you guys want. Now it's the time to fry the falafel. Basically, you can use a spoon or you can get a falafel spoon as well. They have to be first of all soaked in water. Then you're gonna place the falafel on the top, as you can see in this video, and then you're gonna fry them. And you have to put many in the same time and fry them until they are golden, crispy and brown. But be careful. By the way, the oil has to be hot. If you want to be sure that the oil reach the proper temperature, just take a bit of falafel and throw it inside. If it's float on the top after 2 seconds, it means the falafel are ready to be fried. The falafel have to be eaten after being fried. You cannot let them more time because they're gonna lose all their crispiness. The falafel texture is supposed to be fluffy from the inside, pillowy, and from the outside it have to be crispy. If you're gonna tell me that falafel are fried and they're not good for your health, you can go for baked falafel. You can bake them as well. Falafel is always served with a sauce called tarator sauce, which is also known as tahini sauce. Tahini sauce does not mean you have to add tahini and water. Tarator, it have to be tangy, salty, thick, and beautiful. I will show you exactly how to make one of the best tahini sauce ever. So basically, we need the tahini, the water, the salt, mashed garlic, and lemon juice. To make this beautiful tarator sauce, first of all, in a bowl, we're gonna add the tahini paste. We're gonna add the water, the salt, the mashed garlic, and the lemon juice, and then we're gonna mix everything until everything is properly incorporated. The texture of tarator, which is tahini sauce, will have to be a bit thick. It's not supposed to be very watery, but as well, if you like it more thin, you can add a bit of more water in it. And as well, the final touch is very important. Any recipe in this world cannot be accurate 100%. You can always add a bit of water if you like it more thin, a bit of salt if you like it more salty, and lemon juice if you want it more tangy. Do not forget, the most important ingredient in any recipe is basically fun and passion. Who is gonna have some falafel? The falafel are ready, the tahini is ready. I can't wait to try this dish with you guys, so let's see. Oh my God, can you hear this? Can you hear how much crispy it is? All right, the flavor of the falafel, you have to feel the chickpeas, a little bit, not salty, but you have to feel the salt, the cumin, the coriander. Everything have to be basically properly balanced. You're not supposed to have a lot of flavor or coriander or parsley or the salt or the cumin. Everything have to be properly balanced. Don't forget to try this recipe at home. And by the way, do not forget to subscribe. We'll see you very soon with a new vlog or new recipe.